Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Suling and I'm a watercolor artist from Malaysia. What you are watching now is one of the 4 videos in the Watercolor Autumn Leaf series. In this series, you are going to learn how to use techniques such as wet on wet, lifting, and layering to paint the leaves. After watching this video, you can look for the links to the other 3 videos in the description below. If you like what you are watching, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's dive in. For the colors, I'm going to include a cadmium orange hue, I think I want to mix in some cadmium yellow hue, so it's up to you if you want to use pure orange or make it a bit yellowish. Then we have Scarlet Lake. When mixed with some yellow, it looks like this. Lastly, a brown for the stem. For this one, we will be starting off with wet on wet technique again, and then build up the colors and shades through layering. So the first color that I'm using on the first layer is the yellow-orange mix. Then drop in Scarlet Lake. So you just simply fill up the entire leaf with these 2 colors using wet on wet. Adding a bit of brown to the tip of the leaf. After this layer is dry, we can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to add the second layer to intensify the colors on this leaf. Instead of just using Scarlet Lake, I'm going to add some Alizarin Crimson to get a really rich red color. Because this leaf has serrated edges, you have to be more careful when applying the paint. But it's okay even if you mess up a little, as we are going to tidy up the edges at the end. What I'm doing now is that I'm applying the red near the tip of the leaf and paint towards the base. And then I apply yellow-orange starting from the base of the leaf, and then blend them, so that I get a gradual change of red to orange. So I'm going to do this for the entire leaf. Looking at the leaf now, I would actually like to add more red to some of the areas based on what I see in the reference image. You would also notice that at this stage, I only pick up a little paint every time. Now I'm picking up some yellow-orange and lightly sweep over these areas to give them a more saturated orange tone. Lastly, it's time to add the stem and draw the veins. Basically, it's the easiest part of all, just that you need to do it slowly and carefully so that the lines won't turn out too thick. For the veins, you can use a mix of brown and red. Finally, if the edges of the leaf are somewhat untidy, now is the time to clean it up. Basically, it's like applying the lifting technique, where you use a slightly damp brush to kind of sweep and lift off the paint and then blot it with paper towel. So any areas that you have painted out of the line, you can clean it up this way. So we have wrapped up this bright red Japanese maple leaf.